Pakistan shocker on Pulwama. Pakistan appears to have admitted to its role in the Pulwama terror attack. Pakistan minister has said that Pakistan was behind the Pulwama attack. Pakistan minister has said in Pakistan that India ko ghus ke mara. That is the statement of the Pakistan minister. Pakistan admitting to the role in Pulwama terror attack. Let's listen in to what the Pakistani minister said.
ज्यादा अफसोस और दुख की बात होती है जब ये बातें होती हैं और ये लोग मुंह दूसरी तरफ कर देते हैं। आप इख्तलाफ कीजिए, आप फौज के ऊपर, आप पाकिस्तान की हुकूमत पर तनकीद कीजिए, आप पीटीआई के ऊपर तनकीद कीजिए, आप रियासत के ऊपर तनकीद ना कीजिए। अयाज सादिक साहब ने कल यहां पर बात की, कह रहे थे पहली बात तो ये है, मुझे तो समझ नहीं आती, अगर आप एक रियासत की एक एक्टिविटी में आपको इज्जत दी गई, आपको शामिल किया गया, आप असेंबली के फ्लोर के ऊपर आप बातें कर रहे हैं और फिर झूठ इतने एतमाद से बोल रहे हैं कि झूठा शख्स भी क्या बात करेगा। जिस एतमाद से उन्होंने आके ये बातें की यहां पर कि स्पीकर जनाब शाह महमूद कुरैशी साहब की टांगें कांप रही थी, कह रहे थे हिंदुस्तान हमला कर रहा है। हमने हिंदुस्तान को घुस के मारा है जनाब स्पीकर वहां पे। और पुलवामा में जो कामयाबी है, पुलवामा में जो हमारी कामयाबी है, वो इमरान खान की क़यादत में इस कौम की कामयाबी है। उसके हिस्सेदार आप भी सब हैं, उसके हिस्सेदार हम भी सब हैं।
This is a shocking admission from a Pakistani minister. Let's go across to Vishnu Shom. Vishnu, what do you make of this?
Well, this is an admission that Pakistan is a terrorist state. That's essentially what it means. Here in the Pakistani parliament, if Fawad Chaudhry, a federal minister, actually says that in the case of Pulwama, ghus ke mara hai. Now, let me just remind our viewers what it is all about. Pulwama is what was the worst terror attack in Jammu and Kashmir in years, in more than a decade, in fact. 40 CRPF Jawans were killed in a massive improvised explosive device blast which hit their convoy as they were travelling. This resulted in India several weeks later targeting the Pakistani terror training camp in Balakot, and the day after that there was this air battle between India and Pakistan. Both sides came very much to the edge of war. By making these statements, a Pakistani minister has admitted the reasons why that situation happened, and in a sense offered a perfect justification, which is what India has always said, for India wanting to strike terror targets in Pakistan. This is the Pakistani minister who said that in Pulwama, ghus ke mara hai. In other words, an admission of Pakistan being a terrorist state, of them coming and hitting and killing Indian civilians on Indian soil. And therefore, it was this act which actually did bring India and Pakistan to the edge of war. Pulwama, and it's a very large dossier which has actually been presented. India has always argued that there was a Pakistani link. The handlers were Pakistani. The routes through which the explosives were brought in, it came across from the Jammu side, some of them at least. The process in which the explosives were assembled, photographs of the terrorists who were assembling it, the names of the Pakistani terrorists who were involved, the vehicle which was procured. The National Investigating Agency has got all of that. It is a very lengthy document which we've reported about extensively. And now you have a Pakistani minister, Fawad Chaudhry, a federal minister, saying that we did it. So where does that, and from Pakistan's standpoint, at a time when they're trying to get out of FATF, the UN body which has put them in the grey list because they finance terrorism, and they've always argued that they've done enough to ensure that they get out of FATF. This is an admission and yet another explainer, something that India has always believed, on why Pakistan needs to be not on the grey list but on the black list of FATF and needs to be condemned as a terrorist state in every single international forum. The background to this particular remark, yesterday there was another remark by another leader in the Pakistani Assembly where he said that the reasons why Wing Commander Abhinandan Vartman, the Indian Air Force pilot who was shot down over Pakistan, but after he'd destroyed a Pakistani fighter aircraft believed to be an F-16. The reason Abhinandan Varthaman, Wing Commander Varthaman, was released to India was because Pakistan was afraid of an Indian attack on Pakistani soil. Then you've had India's Air Chief Marshal Dhanoa, who was then the Air Chief, saying that India was ready to strike Pakistani targets. However, it's important to note that what the Air Chief was referring to was essentially Pakistani military targets would have been hit by the Indian Air Force if Pakistan's counter-attack on us, which took place on the 27th of February, a day after Balakot, was successful. That was unsuccessful. So the sequence of events is this. There was Pulwama, and then sometime later we hit Balakot. After that, the next day, Pakistan tried to target Indian Army positions in Rajouri and in Poonch. They failed in that. And so Air Chief Marshal Dhanoa, who yesterday said, he was Air Chief Marshal then, he's now retired, that India was ready to strike Pakistani brigades. He also had made an assurance to the father of Wing Commander Abhinandan Varthaman, who was also an Air Marshal in the Air Force, retired, that look, I'll try and get your son back. Be that as it may, and there is a bit of rhetoric in what the former Air Chief had to say, the bottom line is that India was ready to in fact strike military targets as long as the Pakistani attack on the 27th of February was successful. So that was not successful. Then this entire issue came up, as I mentioned, in the Pakistani Assembly yesterday, where another Pakistani leader said that, look, it is because of the fear of an Indian attack after the 27th of February that Wing Commander Abhinandan Varthaman was released to India after he had been picked up by Pakistani forces. That's triggered a whole lot of reactions in Pakistan, including this bizarre statement in the Pakistani Assembly, where Fawad Chaudhry, a federal minister, has boasted that Pulwama, which is the incident which sparked this entire chain of events, was done by Pakistan.